Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Now. In this channel, we talk about everything happening in the world of cryptocurrency. We teach you how to navigate the world of cryptocurrency as a newbie and even someone experienced. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how you can trade your dogs and get USDT. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. As at the time of recording this video, dogs has not yet listed on any exchange. Okay, dogs has not yet listed on any exchange. So some of the things that I'll be explaining to you um are the things that you will need to do when dogs list. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So once you open your Bitget, I'm going to be using Bitget in this particular video, but it's almost the same in for all the exchanges. So once you open your Bitget, just for you to check if your dogs has arrived, just click on assets. Once you click on assets, then it will be in overview. It's going to be in overview. All you need to do is click on sports. I just circled sports right at the top of your screen. So once you click on sports, you're going to see your dogs. If you actually sent it to Bybit, sorry if you actually sent it to Bitget, because I'm using Bitget in this video, but it's the same for almost all the exchanges. So look at our dogs right here, and this is the amount that I have, 51,000. Okay, so for you to trade, all you need to do is come over to this trade icon. Okay, I just circle the trade icon, click on trade. As you can see, this is in buy and this is sell. So whatever you want to do, that's where you will leave it in. So in this point, we have dogs already, and what we want to do is to sell. All right, but before that, you have to check the pair that you want to trade. Do you want to trade dogs for USDT? Do you want to trade BTC for USDT? Do you want to trade Ton for USDT? What we want to do is to trade dogs for USDT. So all you need to do is to click on this pair, this BTC slash USDT. So once you click on it, you're going to see a lot of options. But for you not to waste your time, just come over to this search bar and search for dogs. Okay, just type dogs and you're going to see the pair, which is dogs to USDT. And as you can see, they said opening soon. Okay, once it lists, you're going to see the price and everything. All right, so remember, we are doing this video so that you can practice this ahead of the listing dates, so that you can get acquainted to this. Once it goes live, you can go ahead and trade and get your USDT. Okay, so just click on the docs to USDT. So docs to USDT is now showing. Okay, and again, like I said, what we want to do is we want to sell. So come over and click on this sell icon. So once you click on sell, it's going to show red. All right, buy will show blue or green. It depends on the exchange that you're using, but what we want to do is we want to sell. Okay, so if you want to sell immediately, there are so many ways that you can sell. Okay, so one of the ways that you can sell, let's click on this limit order. So you click on limit order and you will see a lot of options, on how you can sell. But I will tell you, as a newbie and as someone who just wants to sell your dogs and just get your USDT immediately, all you need to do is click on market. Okay, so what you want to do is, if you click on market or leave it at market, what it means is that you want to sell your dogs. um if dogs is around 0.01 at that point, or 0.001, what market means is that you're selling your dogs at the market price. Okay, you're selling your dogs at the market price, and honestly, that's actually the best way to sell if you want to sell immediately, to get your USDT. Okay, so just leave it in market. Okay, then the next thing to do is um come over to quantity. Come over to quantity. So once you click on quantity, it's going to ask you to type in the amount that you want, and mind you, this is the available balance that you have. It's showing under available. Okay, so you have 51,000 um dogs. So that's actually my dogs, not yours. Okay, so you will see your available balance there. So all you need to do is click on quantity. You can go ahead and type the quantity that you want, if you want to type. But if you want to sell based on percentage, then you can use this indicator. Let me call it indicator. You can actually decide to move it to 25%. You can actually use that to move it to whatever percentage that you want to sell. If you want to sell all, just leave it at 100%. Okay, once you leave it at 100%, then the next thing you need to do is to click on sell. Click on sell dogs. What it means is that you're selling all your dogs at the market price immediately, and you're getting your USDT. Okay, so if I click sell now, I don't know what is going to happen because they've not listed, but let's go ahead and click sell. So once you click sell, they will say this is going to pop up. Okay, it says order confirmation. They want to confirm if you want to place this order. They said sell volume. Okay, all you need to do is, just once you click on sell, just come over to this particular icon and click on the box, and once it ticks good, well, you can decide to click on that box or to leave it like that. Okay, clicking on the box means that you don't want this app or the Bitget to be showing you this particular thing. What you want is, once you place an order, let it go immediately. Okay, you can decide to leave it at that way, so that you always confirm before placing a buy or sell order. So all you need to do is just click on confirm. Okay, they said the current trading pair. Okay, I didn't get all that, but let's try it again so that I can get all that. Okay, what they're actually saying is that the trading pair has not gone live, so you can't really trade dogs to USDT now, and the reason is quite clear, because they are yet to list on exchanges. Okay, they are yet to go live. So once they list, this is actually the step that you need to take to trade your dogs to get USDT. All right, so that's actually it. Once you get your USDT is a stable coin. USDT doesn't go up or go down. It is stable. If you have $100, your $100 will remain at $100. Okay, if you have $50, if you have $20,000, if you have $10,000, it's going to remain at that price. It's not going to go up or come down. So that's why you need to leave your dogs in USDT if you once you trade it. All right, once you trade, leave it in USDT, then you can now sell your USDT and get your fiat. There are so many ways that you can sell your USDT to get your local currency. You can either use the P2P. I'm still going to record a video on that, or you can sell through a trusted merchant, through a trusted buyer. Okay, so all you need to do, send it to the buyer. The buyer will pay you, but make sure that the person is a trusted buyer. A lot of persons are going to come up to tell you that they are buying, and trust me, they are going to tell you, like, give you some prices that is going to look so good to be true. If you go ahead and trade and send your USDT to them, be rest assured that you will not get your money. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to be bringing more videos to us as the time draws near. Okay, so once you learn this particular thing that I just did now, once you are able to learn it, just know that you are safe. That the next thing now is to sell, how to sell your dogs. Sorry, how to sell your USDT, which you can do that one anytime, whether dogs price is going up or coming down. It's really not going to affect you because you have converted your dogs to USDT. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and watch out for our next video.